Hi, hello, welcome to Joji classes. Let us start one more problem on dissolution of a partnership. Okay, we are starting a problem on dissolution of a partnership. Last video we have done formats for dissolution of a partnership. In that, if you didn't check that one, please check that video. It is there in the description. Please check that video and then you can start up using this video to solve the problem. Clear? Okay, fine. In that, what we have done, first you have to prepare realization account, partner's capital account, and cash account. These are the three accounts we are gonna prepare. Clear? Yes. Now let's start the problem. First check it out the question. Then we will see how to solve the problem. Okay? Check the question first. Yes, you check the question, right? So now let's discuss about, in this question we are having two partners. So I can't memorize the whole question. So I kept the question in front of me. Let us solve that one. First, let's check what is the data given to you. They have given you some liabilities and assets. That means balance sheet of the partners. And then what they mentioned, firm was dissolved. Who are the partners? Anita and Sunita. These are the two partners. Next, assets, how they have realized, the data also given. Liabilities, what is the data? That is also given to you. Sum of the assets taken by the partners and realization expenses. This is the data given to you. Actually, it is a very good question. Many adjustments were included in this, so I have chosen this type of question. Okay, let us start solving the question. Okay, first realization account, what I said, first you have to write down all the assets debit side, all the liabilities credit side. Assets, no cash or bank, and no profit and loss account. Okay, other than these two, all the assets given in the question you are writing. Okay, let's write down two assets. Or else we can mention directly one after one each transaction. I'll take like that only. Okay, what is the first asset? Cash at bank, so that will not come. Next, debtors. Debtors 28,000 less provision for doubtful debts or bad debts. It is 2,000. So you can take debtors 28 here. Provision for bad debts as a liability 2,000 here. Or else directly subtract the amount and 26,000 you can write down directly. Any method you can follow. Clear? So now I am writing directly. I don't want to confuse you so much. Directly I am writing what is the debtors amount. It is 26,000. Realization account only will take longer time. Partners capital and cash account we will finish very fast. Okay? Yes. So debtors after reducing provision for bad debts, it is 26,000. Okay. Next one. Stock 40,000. To stock 40,000 and to investments. What is the amount of investments? Investments amount is 20,000. Furniture 14,000. To furniture 14,000. And the next, building 60,000. To building 60,000. 60. These are the assets as it is we have taken. No adjustments, nothing. We have taken directly. Okay, now move on to the liabilities. What are the liabilities we have? By generally we can find creditors and by bills payable. If anything else is there, let us check it out. Okay. Creditors is how much? 20,000, bills payable 6,000. Creditors 20,000, bills payable 6,000. Next you have Anita loan and Vanita loan. Anita, partner of the business, so you need not to think about her loan. Vanita, don't think those both are partners. Check the partner's name. They are Anita and Sunita. But here she is Vanita. Vanita means she is someone outsider. It is just outsider's loan. We will treat it as current liability. That's all. It is not at all shareholder or partner. Clear? So now I am taking as a just liability by Vanita loan. By Vanita loan. What is the amount? I don't remember. What's the amount? It is 5,000. Clear? Anita and Sunita, those both were partners. If their loan is there, that we will be showing in the cash account directly. Okay. But this is Vanita. She is not partner. She will be treated as just a liability. Clear? Yes. Now, how do they realize that we will check it out. Okay. How the assets were realized and how the liabilities were paid. Okay. By cash. Do we preparing cash account or bank account? Let us check it out. It is bank account. So, we will write down with to bank. If it is cash, then you have to write down cash everywhere. Okay. So, now here by bank account. Okay. They have given in the adjustments. Let us check it out. How do they realize? Debtors 25,600. Stock 39,000. Debtors 25,600. Stock 39,000. Values were reduced. Okay. Next one. Building 66,000. Building is increased, I guess. Right? Buildings 66,000. Okay. This is how you receive the amount. Now let's see the total. How much you will get? 1,30,600. The total is 1,30,600. Now let us see how the liabilities were realized. Okay, still some more is there. Let us check it out. What is that? It is investments. Investments, 50% of investment at less on its book value. Remaining investments were sold at a gain of 20%. Okay, there is so much of calculation, and that too, that 50% was taken over by the Anita. Okay, I will show you here itself. You please copy that. Then later we will be continuing. Okay, so now what is the value of investments? Important point here. So please check it out. Investments amount is 20,000. Anita has taken 50%. Right? So what is 50%? It is 10,000. Anita has taken by how much less? 10% less. Okay. So less 10%. That means how much you got? 1,000. So Anita has taken by 9,000. Okay. This value Anita has taken by 9,000. So write down by Anita account. If any assets were taken over by the partners, that we will be showing credits by their name. Okay, Anita capital account also you can write down. This is for investment. Okay, please mention this working note. How much? 9,000. Okay, the balance 50%. That means total 20,000. In that balance 50,000 is 10,000. Right? So write down balance 50% is 10,000. How do they sold that one? That one is sold by 20% gain. That means you got more. Okay. So it will be add 20% gain. How much you will get? 2,000. So the total amount you have received is 12,000. So write down here by bank account. This is also for the calculation of investment. How much? 12,000. Okay, I repeat once again. Total investments value is 20,000. In that 50%, that means 10,000 was taken over by Anita. How she has taken over? 10% less. She reduced the 1,000 rupees value and then she has taken. That means 9,000. For 9,000 she has taken. Clear? Next, the balance 50%. That means the balance 10,000. It is sold by 20% gain. On 10,000, 20%. 10,000 into 20 by 100, you will get 2,000. So now total for how much we sold? For 12,000 we have sold. Okay. So taken over 9,000, sold for 12,000. Hope it is clear, right? All of you got clear, right? Please copy this one. Okay. How do they have sold? How do Anita has taken over? Okay. Next. What is the next transaction? Furniture was taken over by Sunita at 12,000. So write down by Sunita capital account. How much? 12,000. She has taken by 12,000 furniture value. Okay. Next one. Anita agreed to pay all realization expenses. That means they didn't mention anything about liabilities. They didn't mention anything about liabilities. That means whatever is the value, to that value only we have made the payment. Got it? If they don't mention anything about liabilities or assets, that means it was realized or paid with the same book value. Okay, they didn't mention anything here, so we are taking with the same book value. So write down. So here we have written the liabilities. So how much they have realized, that we will be writing debit side. To bank account. Creditors, how much? 20,000. Bills payable 6,000. Manita loan 5,000. Then how much you will get? 31,000. It is 31,000. Clear? Now, the last point. Anita agreed to bear all realization expenses. So, whatever expense were there, it will be paid by Anita. Okay? For the service of Anita, she is paid 2,600. That means we paid her as salary, commission, whatever. It is 2,600. Okay? So, let her take care of the amount. Whatever she paid for the realization. She paid total 2,000 rupees. That is her headache. You need not to make any entry in the realization account. Clear? You need not to show any kind of entry in the realization account. This is only information they have given you. Clear? So now how much we are paying to Anita? It is 2,600. Okay, write down to Anita's capital account. To Anita's capital account. Okay, or else Anita's account. How much? 2,600. She paid 2,000. That is her own headache. So we need not to show that one. Clear? Anything we missed? Hope we didn't miss anything, right? So let's do the total and find out what is the balance. Okay? I am rubbing this investment part. Hope you have copied that. Yes. Now what is the total of credit side? 20. It is 2,75,600. How come 2,75,600, 20, 26? I think I have committed a mistake. I'll check it out. 20,000 plus 6,000 plus 5,000 plus 1,30,600 plus 9,000 plus 24,000. It is 1,94,600. Okay? Total both the side, it is 1,94,600. Let's subtract 26. It is 1,000. Okay, I will cross check once again. It is 1,000. They got the profit of 1,000. Okay, to partners capital account. Who are those? Anita and Sunita. What is the ratio of them? Check the ratio of them. Their ratio is equal. They didn't mention anything. Equal. If they mention what is the ratio, that we will be taking. So how much you will get? 1,000 into 1 by 2, that is 500. 1,000 into 1 by 2, that is 500. Okay, this is how you have to prepare the realization account. In this, what is the tough part? Once again, we have got, that is 2600 we are paying, our business is paying to Anita for doing some work for the business purpose. Okay, but she has mentioned she will only take care of realization expense, so you need not to show the realization expenses. Whatever business is paying to Anita as salary or something, that we will be showing. And other than that, we have investment. That part already I have explained. Once again, please rewind and cross check that one. Okay, first what you will take, according to the balance sheet, whatever is the data given to you, assets debit side, liabilities credit side. And after that, how do they have realized, that you will be showing liabilities debit side and assets credit side. Clear? Hope everything is clear, right? Yes. Please take the screenshot or copy this one. Let's solve the problem about profit and loss. Sorry, not profit and loss account. It is partners capital account. Okay. So next continuation will be partners capital account. Copy it fast. Let's solve partners capital account. Okay. Already we have done in the prior problems. So it is very easy to do now. Okay. So now first, what are the capitals? So that we will write by balance brought down. How much? 50,000 and 50,000. Okay. It's this one you can find in the balance sheet liability side. Okay. By reserve fund, it is 30,000 equally we are sharing. 30,000 into 1 by 2, you will get 15,000. 30,000 into 1 by 2, you will get 15,000. Okay. We paid some salary to Anita, right? So write down by realization account. How much? 2,600. Okay. Then we got realization profit by realization account. 500 and 500. Okay. Some of the assets were taken over by both the partners, right? So write down to realization account. Furniture, Sunita has taken 12,000. Investments, Anita has taken 9,000. Hope all of them are completed, right? Do we miss anything? So all the transactions I hope we have taken. Let us do the total and the final amount will be the bank. What we are going to do, the final settlement in the last. If you got deficit, you will write down credit side. If you got profit, we will be writing debit side. Okay. 50,000, 15,000, 2,600, 500. How much? 68,100. Then this will be 65,500. 65,500, 68,100. Then this will be 59,100. This will be 53,500. We are preparing bank account, so the payment will be done in the form of bank only. Okay, just copy this one. 59,100, 53,500. Check it out. First, balance you have to take from the balance sheet. Okay, capitals you can see, there you can find this amount. Okay, after that reserve fund, 30,000 was there, it is shared equally. So 30,000 into 1 by 2, 30,000 into 1 by 2. We have paid some salary to Anita, so that is 2,600 I have taken. Next, realization profit was there, that is again shared between them. Okay, next, they have taken over some assets. If liabilities have taken over, liabilities we will be showing credit side. Assets if they have taken over, we will be showing debit side. Okay. Now, whatever is the balance, that if you are paying in the form of cash, you will be writing cash. If you are paying in the form of bank, we are writing bank. Clear? Copy this one. Then we can prepare the balance sheet immediately. Okay. Copy it fast. Let's prepare bank account. Okay, so first we will start with the balance. If you can find this balance from the balance sheet. Okay, to balance brought down. What is the amount? It is 6,000. Okay, now check the realization account. In the realization account, we have taken the assets, right? we realized the values of assets. Remember, in that two types of amounts are there. One is 1,30,600 and then 12,000 of investment. Total 1,42,600. So write down to realization account. You saw that on credit side. In the realization account, it will be shown in the debit side. Next, we have paid the liabilities, right? When you received, we are writing debit side. When you paid, it will be credit side only, right? For how much we have paid? Total 31,000. So write down by realization account. How much? 31,000. Okay, next one. We need to make the payments of their profits, whatever they have invested from the partner's capital account we have taken, no? That amount we should write down. Let's write down by Anita account and by Sunita account. What are the amounts? I don't remember the amounts. Let me check it out once. It is 59,100 and 59,100 and 53,500. Right? There is one more transaction, that is Anita's loan. That also we have to make the payment, no? So write down by Anita loan. How much? It is 5,000 or 6,000. Let me check it out once. It is 5,000. It is 5,000. I think these are the bank or cash transactions we have. Right? Let us do the total. If it is tallied, yes, what you have done is correct. If it is not tallied, yes, you have committed a mistake somewhere. So let's find out where was the mistake. Okay? So let's do the total. It must tally 1,42,000 plus 6, 1,48,600. Then this one, 31,000, 59,100, 53,500 and 5,000. 1,48,600. So it's tallied. Bank account is totally tallied. Okay? Check the realization account. Check the partner's capitals account. Wherever you find the word, please enter them. Okay? If you find debit side, we are entering credit side. If you find credit side, we are entering debit side. Clear? All of you understood this problem, right? Please copy, take the screenshot, whatever you want, please do it fast. Okay? So, hope all of you understood how to solve dissolution problem. So, next video, we will be solving one more problem. Hope 2 questions are enough for this chapter, I guess. Then we can move on to the new videos and new chapters. Okay, fine. If you understood the video or if you understood the problem, please like it, share it and subscribe it. Okay, thank you. Bye-bye.